Hello, everybody. It's been a while since I did any videos because I was on a break. It was been quite busy. Boy, it was busy all day, every day. I couldn't, I couldn't have a single time. I didn't have a single little bit of time of doing much. I was in a whole nother world, but I'm back now and we are doing the three column preview challenge. I have added the primary neutral colors in the root, and then we also have added the fonts and pasted in, as you can see here, and right here as well. So that is going to be very nice, very nice. Yeah, that's cool. Um, Other than that, let's get this started, shall we? All right. Yep. First off, we are going to create a design of this. And what's fun about this design in the desktop version is that when you hover over it makes the button like transparent, and then it has a border, and then make the transparent uh, letters become white, which is nice, I guess. Hmm. But first, we will need to be doing the mobile design first, because there are two ways to do this. You can make the desktop version and then go to the mobile version, or you can make the mobile version and then go to the desktop version. I am going to be doing the mobile version first, as it will be much more easier for me, so to say. Yeah. Uh, what I need to do first, though, is to comment out that one so we can just have a nice little thing that I can see. Good. Necessaries. Alright, first off, since we're looking at this design, it seems like the background is going to be white, and for the content here, it's going to be like a div within a div. There's going to be three divs, and within those three divs, there are going to be a image, and then maybe a heading, a paragraph, and then probably a link. So let's do this, shall we? If you guys are using WebStorm, it is going to be a lot easier to do this, as we have a special thing as we can do here. So we will do a div. Within that div, there's going to be a div, and within each of those divs, there's going to be a image with a uh, heading, with a paragraph, and with a link. Mm, yep, that's good. Good. And then we just multiply that by 3. And I think you multiply this by 3 like this, right? No, you multiply that by 3 right here. Go. And voila. Look at that. Perfection. That is how you speedrun, everybody. Go. Nice. Anyway, um, where's the? Did I? Oops, I delete the image by accident. Good. That sounds nice. Um, let's put the image below real quick. Good. Everything is nice and set. I'm going to give this a class, and we're going to call this the content holder. Um, And I think that's it for now. We'll figure most things out later. Good. We are going to put this one as the header. We're going to copy and cut this one as a paragraph. We are going to there seems to be learn more as the link, so we are going to do that. Learn more, and we are going to copy and paste that to all the buttons. In this, sadly, there's no other websites for this challenge, so we'll just be putting a hashtag on it, which means it doesn't really go anywhere, but it will. I will go somewhere. I mean, it will go to its own link. You can click on it and stuff. Nice. Hey, not bad, not bad. Look at that, eh? Not bad. Cool. Next up, we are going to see how this looks. Hey, look at that. It's not bad, eh? All right. I'm pretty sure this right here, the image looks really skinny than 375, but I'm expecting it at this point. So it seems like we are going to do a bit of scrolling, so I guess it's fine. That's nice. All right, let's see here. We are going to set the okay, what are we going to do? We are now going to do. We're going to call this contents underneath. Good. First off, we are going to make the content holder display effects. And then we are going to do display column. No, hold on a second. Effects display, no, effects direction column. Yeah, okay, cool. It is column, cool. Just making sure. Because it's been a week before I touched any HTML or CSS, but you know, it's fine. Okay, nice, that's nice. And then we will need to make the margin quite a difference actually. So for the margin, we are going to do. Oh, actually no. Before that, we will need to add a body because we will want to make the background color variable this color, because we have to say this is for backgrounds, headings, and buttons, and this is for a paragraph. I'm guessing if this is for buttons, I could make the link into like a button. I can't do that. Here's the thing: you can make things into a link or a button. Oh no, I think making it into a button is gonna be quite more easy, right? Because when you make it into a button, it has like its own styles and stuff, which could make it a lot easier. I'll figure that out. Uh, After I've done most of this. Cool. And then we are going to add some margin. Let's see here. For the top, I think that's like a good 50 pair 50 oh. You think that's good? You think that's good, everybody? Nah, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit more. Let's do like 70. How's that? Ooh, okay. That seems pretty good. Hmm. Okay. Oh, this is a good size actually. Okay. Mm, actually, let's give it a background color, and then let's give it red, so I can make this a lot more. So I can see this a lot more easier. Ooh, no, I need some more. Also, let's make the left and right side like 10 pixels. Let's give it 90. How about that? Oh, that looks really good. Okay. And then let's give it a 20 pixels margin for the left and right. See how that looks. Me eyeballing it. Looks pretty good. Cool. Nice. And then we are going to make the um we are going to make the height equals, we're going to do height. There you go. So I can scroll now. That's also cool. Nice. All right. Let's get this started, shall we? Ooh, actually, how much? How much is this? Actually, I don't think I need the height, real height, but I might need it later. We'll, we'll see. How much is this? I'm not sure, but um, wait a second. I do each of them a color, then I think I'll need to do the border first on here. Let's do border radius 10 pixels. Let's see how that goes. That seems pretty good actually. Not bad. I need to stop doing that though. Yep, I think that is good. That's good. That's nice. As I rearrange it again. Great. Okay, that's good. Nice. All right. And then we will need to create some kind of width here. We are going to change the background color actually. Oh wait, no. We're not going to do this. We are going to go to uh this one. Oh, what is the image? Which ones are the right images? Ah, it tells me right here. Okay, good. So for the images, we will need to go to my images folder, and then we will need to go to the icon. This one is for this. This one is for SUVs, and then this one is for luxury. Nice. See how this looks? Not bad. Okay. First off, let's go to div, and then let's call them a class. We are going to call them. What are we going to call them? Um. Mm, I'm guessing we're gonna call them the different type of cars. So probably like um car. I know, very creative. It's quite nice, eh? Nice. We are going to call each one class of car. That's nice. Actually, what I can do is just do something like that. Okay. But then again, this wouldn't be a class because it would be an ID, wouldn't it? Yeah. I think for the past two challenges, I barely used any ID. Let's do some ID, sure. We are going to call the C sentence. This ID is going to be, because for these IDs, I don't really think that we will need to change this much. Change this content later on. Probably in a bigger website, sure, then you can use like classes, but for now, for only this one page website, and then not being to not going to change much or go back to this, I'm just gonna use IDs for now. That sounds nice. Cool. Okay, let's start out with the first ID. This is going to be this one. For this one, we are going to give it a background color with the variable, and it is going to be the orange. Nice, nice, nice. And then we are going to do the, oh, we do overflow hidden. Oh, it doesn't work. Hmm. We have the border radius, but how come this one doesn't show the border radius? Because didn't I have this exact problem last time? I'm pretty sure I feel like I have this exact problem last time. Hmm. Border radius will save the border and then overflow. I will border radius that. Hmm. Now that is quite interesting. I'm pretty sure I have this problem last time, but I'm unsure how to do it now. Let's see here. Ah, right. Aha. Okay, here, there you go. Overflow doesn't work. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But if I put it here, then anything in this div box cannot be overflown. But if I put it here, then everything inside of this div can be overflown. Okay, there you go. That's the one mistake that I forgot. Cool. Um, we are going to make the height of this like 500 pixels. We can give it a little bit less. So let's make this 450. Ooh, that is really close. Okay, how about 430? 430 seems really exact number. Nope. 440 seems to be good. 440 is the perfect number like this. Oh yeah, there you go. I believe it's the perfect number, but it seems to be 35. Oh yeah, there you go. Now that is perfect. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Actually, what I think I'm going to do instead is going to give each one of these a class of yes, I'm gonna give each one of them cards, because why not? Because this is going to be for all of them, so we are going to call this cards, and then we are going to cut the height in here to give each one of these their own same height. And then we are going to add some kind of margin. It seems like it's going to be the same, so margin, we are going to give them like 50 pixels to start out with to see. Okay, wait, no, 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 no. not margin. No, not margin. Not margin. Never mind. Padding is the one that does from the inside, not margin. Oh, real nice. I think that is quite nice. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. And then the margin from the top and bottom, that's 100. So we will minus the height for 100, and that should be perfect. Yep, there we go. That's nice. Um, I think the button would be much more. Hold on, let me look at this real quick. Button type button. And more. Oh, that's not inside of the. Oh, right, because the div is right there, which is interesting, but it's fine. Um, I think I am going to just make the button. Hmm. Nah, I'm just gonna keep this a link. The button is cool and all, but I shall keep this a link. And let's do that to make it nice and separated. Okay. First off, let's bring back the font family, so everything looks nice. However, it seems that the font for the paragraph doesn't change. It seems like the font for the paragraph just seems normal, actually. Wait, what happens if what's this font family? Oh, never mind. I found a font family for the paragraphs. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's the paragraph, and this is for the titles. Got you. Okay, got it. Since I am going to do the same to all the titles, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a class as well. I am going to call them like I'm just going to call them title for now. Actually, I can make this easier. Make them call title to make it more easier. Cool. And then we are also going to put the call title, and then for each one we are going to set the font family, and we are going to set the font family to this. Hey, looking good, looking good. And that should be done for all the font families basically. And then we are going to set this one the content cards, so to say, really. Okay, and now we can begin the cards to however we want it to be designed. You know what? I'm going to experiment with this a little bit because I feel like I can add a flex box to this. How I'm going to do that is I am going to display column and then flex no. It is going to be a nine content space between. I believe so. But the card images is going to be different as well. No, now that I see it, it seems like they didn't change the card images at all, which means they didn't use Flex for this. I can, but I don't want to experiment into something that uses more work than I need to. So, cool. It seems like the text is completely white. Yep. Alright, cool. Nice. So what we were going to do is just make the H1 paragraph color, and then we would make this a variable t white. Nice. So all these will just be nice and white, easy. Let's also make the link white as well. Yeah, because by default it's not going to. Oh wait, no, because when you hover over it, I'll need to change the color anyway. So, oh, did they change the color or did they change it transparent? Oh, now that is the question. I feel like I can do transparent. So, nice. Anyway, let's set up for the insides. Oh, how much would the padding be? For the image. Cool. That's the size. Let's do this one. And this is going to be the image inside of C. This is going to give it a padding bottom 20 pixels. How is that looking? That that's that's a bit too small. How about 30 pixels? Yeah, that seems good, right? 30 pixels. Hmm. Hmm. I think so. Good. And then for the paragraph, no, for the H1. No, that's going to be the same for H1, right? Yeah, that's going to be the same for H1. Oh, actually, you know what I think I can do? They're basically the same on each card, so if I just give each one a class and then change it, that's gonna make things not easier. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yep, you know what? I am going to do that. Goodbye, you. Um, let's see here. So we are going to create a new class. We are going to give the new class to the paragraph. For this class, it is going to be the context, I guess. Cool. And then for context, it is going to be. Oh wait, no. It's going to be within each card. So we don't need to add the class because each of the diffs itself have the same thing. So we can do cards, and then let's go with the image. We can give a padding bottom, like 30 pixels. No, wait, it was like 25 pixels. That seems about good as a size. And then for the card And then for the cards paragraphs, this is gonna be font. No, it's going to be text transformation into uppercase. So that is going to be, oh, why did you do that? Don't do that. I want the H1 to be okay. It's gonna be a little bit bigger though. So we are going to go with font size. Let's go with 15 pixels to see how this 20 pixels to see how that goes. Okay, right? 50 pixels? Oh dear. And let's try 40. 40 seems to be a nice number, right? Hmm. You think that's right? What do you guys think? I think it's good. I think 40 pixels for the font size is quite nice. Yeah, I think so too. Alright. Let's also give the bottom padding to the H1. So padding bottom 25 pixels. I believe it's going to be the same. And it is going to be the same. Cool. I feel like the text itself is a little bit smaller. From I don't know if you guys know this as well, but in these challenges and in the past too, the images from the photos are actually a tiny hint darker than the images they give you. Yeah, Ex- especially the paragraph. That is not right. That is definitely not right. Mm. But I think the paragraph is a little bit smaller for the font, so we can change the font size. All right, font size to mm, 16 pixels, because these are not smaller than I thought it would be. If I do say so myself. That look great. No, that seems to be a little bit bigger. So let's do like 14 pixels. I think 14 pixels is really good enough. Let's see. The E is to the like the A. This E is to like no. Let's make this 15 pixels because that E is kind of behind the A. Okay, I think that's good. Nice. And then we are going to give them a 9 height, and let's give it like 20 pixels to see how it goes. Oh, okay, right. Need more than that. Let's give them how about 40 pixels? Okay, stop. Don't do that. 20, 30 pixels? Oh, really? Okay, cool. 25. Oh yeah, there you go. 25. That looks good. Oh, that looks good, alright. Okay, nice, that's nice. Next up, we will need to make the button for this. Look at everyone else. Nice. And then this is going to be much more easier because I can do 3 buttons at once. So we're going to edit the links. And then for this link, we are going to give them a uh, background color. Does that go to the button? Yes. Background color of the variable. What was it again? It was the variable t. Right. That's nice. A. And then we will need to do like a I think like a margin. Yes, I believe it is a margin this time. It would be maybe like 20 pixels and then 40 pixels. That's not bad. Except for the fact that it's supposed to be padding for the yeah. I'm never gonna get margin of padding right. But this is why we practice, everybody. This is exactly why we shall practice all day, every day for the 4 hour knives. Cause mm, the that don't feel right. That button don't feel right. And then let's do a border radius 10 pixels. No, let's make it 50. I 50. That looks cool. Yeah, that looks cool. Padding is also given like 30 pixels. Oh, that looks real good. Ah, yeah, there you go. This is just me banking it on my eyeballing. Oh, oh man. Oh yeah. Oh well, there it goes. Yep, there goes the there goes that. Okay, that seems to be right. Cool. I feel like there's a lot more padding from the paragraph itself. So maybe 35 would help out. Yeah, that seems to be about right. Cool. And does the button look good? For me, it feels like the button is not bigger than what's shown, actually. Huh. Let me make this smaller real quick. Okay, put that in. Oh, well, this is kind of smaller, but okay, it's actually the same, but to my eyes, it just looks a bit hmm. Something's weird about this. I think it's the padding for the top. I think it's a little bit too much. Is it a little bit too much? From the top? No, 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 no. It's probably 15 padding. I feel like that looks right. Hmm. 13, 13 pixels. Um, 14 pixels. Okay, I think 14 pixels is nice and close enough, as close as I could get it to anyway. Nice. Cool. Alright, next up, we will need to change the text in the button. So we are going to change the, I believe it was font. No, it was text decoration to none to remove the underline. There we go. And then we will make the. No, if that's the background color, how do I make the. How do I make the text transparent? Hmm. That's a. How do that? Like, do I just do color like like do I just do color? I copy this and then instead of the alpha being that the alpha is 0? No, because that will just wait, no, that doesn't make sense. Because if I make the text transparent, it will show the white of the button's background color. So I'm guessing they definitely made the buttons their own background color. Cool. If that's the case, then I can finally edit each one their own. So that's gonna be fun. Good, good, good. For now, how's the button? Button, you good? Yeah, you seems pretty good. But I feel like you don't need the alpha, but it might be just me. Because on the right side it seems really bright, and then on the left side it seems like just not that bright. So what I can do is just get rid of the alpha. I am going to cut this. Hmm, that that seems about kind of right. However, if that's the case, then oh, wait a second, I've been using the wrong right the whole entire time, did I? For the titles and stuff? Cause only the I did. Yes, I did. Because the headings is supposed to be a whole different color. Yep, there you go. That's my fault over here. And now everything should look nice and cool. Yes. But apparently the button is the same VO color. Oh, there we go. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Okay, now the paragraph doesn't look good. Okay, we just ignore that, yeah. Okay, cool. And now we will do every other that. You know what I can do actually? Instead of instead of the ID for each one, I can actually just give them a class of themselves. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Remember the part where I said like we don't need class, but then I did a class anyway because I like classes, not the school one. Yeah, that's pretty much how that went. Cool. So the cost, and then we do the ninth child as one column, and then we are going to do the first child. First child. This is going to be this color. There we go. And then we are going to copy and paste this, and then we will make this the second child. And for the second child, we were going to have what color? We are going to have like a bluish color, which is going to be uh, the cyan. That's nice. And then for the third one, of course, it is going to be cards. And then the last child. And this is going to have a background color of variable what's the last one that I put? Oh, that's how you do it. Ah, okay. Because in another program, like I believe it was Visual Studio. Have you like hold shift and left control, you can type in 3 places, but here it needs to be middle click. Look at this. Ah, got you. I was wondering about that for this, but I couldn't find it, and now I did. So how do I like? Oh no, I can't. No, I can't. There's a control click? No. Alt click? No. Okay, well, I'll figure that out later, but I found it. It's amazing. Can't believe I found it by accident. That's amazing. The more you learn. What was I trying to do again? I was trying to find like the corner, right? Yeah. So that's VD orange cyan blue. Nope. No. Nope. VD cyan. Ah, it's VD cyan. Ah, okay, good, good. Nice. And then the next child should be no. Is that not the last child? Hmm? What's wrong there? The first child's dead and the second child's dead. I guess what I can do is just make this the child and then just yeah, that works. Nice. Look at this. Perfection, eh? I know. That's pretty good, right? Look at me go. Oh wow. I'm guessing because the second challenge I did was the most difficult for me, meaning I need to work on that area of stuff, which is probably something about Flexbox and then the image color. I have no idea how to do the image color, so I will need to research how to do that. But for now, it's looking pretty good for me. Hey, look at this. That's nice. Okay, let's just copy and paste, and then let's make this the link. And then for the instead of the background color, this will be only color. Hey, there we go. There we go. Cool. And then this will have A as well. And then I'm just going to cut this. I am going to copy and paste this. And then put a there. And then I am going to cut this. And voila. Look at that. Perfection. Hey, that looks good. You know what? That looks good. That looks really good. Cool. So we got the entire content area inside, and then now we got the contact card itself and all that. No, contact card colors. Good. And I believe for the phone version, I don't think they have anything about that, but it's fine. Can I just edit this real quick? What's 1440 pixels? Hmm. I'll just do like a responsive 1440. Bam. There you go. Nice. Okay, well, 1440. Alright. Cool. Uh, okay. Next up, we will be doing the nice desktop design now. Cool, cool, cool. And then for this desktop design, let's make the zoom like 75 or make 50. It's not auto. Cool. And then we can make this as no. We can make this as big as I really wanted to. Cool. But I don't think we need to do that much. So I am just going to make this nice, just a little bit smaller. Or I can just do this. I'm gonna do exactly that. Cool. So that's about 14-ish. Oh yeah, we can definitely make this a little bit smaller. Then we can like zoom in 100%. Maybe. I'll figure that out later. Cool. Alright, and now it's time to make all this into desktop version. I think I already found a way on doing that. Let's cool. Let's do this one here. This is going to be media screen, and the minimum width needs to be 1440 pixels. And then we will change the content holder. And we will change the content holder, not the margin, not any of these, but we'll need to change the display. No, not the display. It was the effects direction. Yes, we'll make the effects direction, instead of a column, it will be a row now. There we go. And then we will need to give them a new type of margin as well. So we are going to copy and paste this all the way up here. And then it will be, oh wait, no. What am I talking about? No, hold on a second. It would be this one right here. So instead of the margin like this, it will be now here is another problem I'm not really sure with, because I'm not sure on, oh come on, yes, there you go, okay, right, this is just going to make things a lot more worse. Let's do, oh, hello. I'm guessing this is like about like what, like 80%. So we do 1440, and then we just times that by like that. So that's 288. So maybe like let's give the left and right 144. That seems right. Nah. Maybe. Oh, how's that? Actually, we can get out here. Yeah, we can definitely get out here. So that is going to be like the phone version, and then oop, have this. Nice. However, I think it has like a. Would it be draggable, or would it be like set, and then we'll just need to figure it out? Now that is the question here. Probably. So fixed duration, and then I can align content center, and then I can uh no, hold on a second. Would this be centered? Yeah, I think it would be centered. Cool. I'm not going to do none of the margin stuff. I am going to set a minimum width instead, or just going to do that. What do you guys think the width would be? If this is 1440 pixels, I feel like that's going to be like about like 40%, 20% from each side. 864. Ooh, hey, how that look? That kind of looks alright, but I don't think that is the. No, it's a little bit more. Okay, they probably won't have like 4 in there, so probably like 880, something like that. Yeah. Okay, we'll just make it a whole number, 900. I'm guessing 900 is very good. Ooh. Mm, no, this one's still longer. Cool. 930. Oh well, I don't know if that's the right size no more because it's it's uh-oh. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not sure how to center things with a CSS fax box. I only know how to do that with a grid box. So that's a cool dab. Um, how do I justify contact center and then? All right, there we go. Yeah. It would be justify content center and then align content center because justify is the horizontal and align is the vertical, so that should be just not centered. Why not? Is there seems to be the problem? Question mark. Oh, I have a whole bunch of margins. I think what we can do is set the margin, set this margin to 0 so it can help us with the centering. No, I don't think that was correct. Hmm. Um. Well, that's gonna be a bit of a problem. Unless, and no, because the justify content and align content is gonna be the items within that fax, right? So that means we will need to add another div for the desktop version, which means what I'm going to do is type in another div. I'm going to give it a class of the desktop F. So I am going to drag and cut and no, not that one. We are going to drag and cut and then paste that within. And then we will need to copy and paste. No, we don't need to copy and paste that. And then we will create a new class, which is for the first time desktop F. We will be display flex, and then we will cut the justify content and then the align content here, which means this should be centered. Hey, why is that in the middle of the screen? um, why is that not in the middle of the screen? Hmm. Hmm. Mm, I may or may not understand something. Oh, all right. The minimum height, 100 of the real height. Right. Minimum height, 100 of the real height. That would be 50% of the real height, which should be centered. Centered? No, no. I'm gonna be proven wrong, am I? What's stopping it from doing what it's supposed to be doing? Smiley face. What? Um, what's stopping you from doing what you're supposed to be doing? I don't have anything. Yeah, I don't have anything now. So why are you not going to? Huh? Um, I'll probably be in the body, right? I feel like it's gonna be in the body because that body is like the whole entire thing. So I just go to body and then no. Hmm. I don't think that's how that works. No, that's definitely not how that works. Oh, whoops! Do not press insert when you're using WebStore. I done that a couple times. That would be the content holder itself, right? No. No, there's no padding. That is interesting. I'm not really sure how I fix this. Help. um, well, it seems like all you need is just those three. But since it's not working, I'm guessing there is a problem within. If I remove the margin, it's gonna have its own margin again. But if I have the margin set to 0, it won't align itself of that. So maybe I go to the body and say the height is 100 real height. And then hmm. Uh hmm. Yeah, how do I fix? Because that will center things. I could add like a margin, but if I do that, then that's just going to be what happens as like bigger screens in the future. Um, like a whole entire TV size. Actually, you can do that now because so some people will just like instead of using a computer PC screen as a computer screen, they will use the whole entire TV as a computer screen, which I will do in the future. I'm gonna do that in the future. Whew. Damn, just TV, big screen, you laying the sofa all the way back there. Nice. I ain't gonna do that though. That's oh yikes. Um, but that's just not centering. Is it because wait, what happens if instead I do I do the body as a, and I just cut and paste this. I wonder, how does... There is something wrong about this. This... So we go first direction, there we go. FX. Justify content center, that is going to be... Huh. It's going to be the horizontal line, right? Yeah. Because so we removed the horizontal one. Boop, there you go. But we remove the align content center one. It doesn't do anything. Align items. This defines the default behavior of how flex items are laid out along the cross axis on the current line. Okay. But am I just missing the cross axis? Because it's it don't work. Ah, someone is searching this as well. Nice. Here's the HTML, CSS, container flex, centered, align item, that. Okay, alright. Post question, this question needs debugging details. It's currently not accepting answers. Oh, really? Oh, two answers. Height, 100 real height. We use correct properties to give the container a height, it will work. Okay. So within the container, which is this one, I would use height. But that still won't like work. Even with that. So how does that like work now? And given a nice self use instead of a 9 item, but you keep a 9 items and find a high. Nope. Oh, wait a second. I think it's 9 self, isn't it? Because this. Right? No? Okay, cool. No. Haha, that ain't gonna be possible. Cool. I'm guessing this. But hold on a second. Aligning self won't work, aligning the contents won't work, but aligning items will work. Hey, for Xbox, what's what? How? Say what now? Does this work? I would just remove. No. Okay, cool. Align items. Hmm. How's this align cell? Says the align cell fight on direction. Oh, to all direct children as a group. What's online content which I did? Sets to just a space around and around content items, announce Xbox calls for grid, interaction below demonstrates the. Ah, right. It's targeting the items, not the whole entire horse. Okay, got you. Yeah, I found the problem now. Yeah, you're right. Cool. Okay, right. And then it seems like each of these boxes have like some sort of a medium minimum height. So we are going to go and into the what would they even gonna be? Probably this one. And then the height, let's make it like I don't know, like 600 pixels for now to see how it goes. Oh, no, that's the content holder, right? Yeah, that's the content holder. I need the card itself. Aha. There we go. What would it be? Mm, not sure. It's 400. Oh, hey, that looks pretty good actually. If I no, mm, probably a little bit taller though. Yeah, just a little bit taller. So probably like four. That's gonna be too much, isn't it? Yeah, that's gonna be too much. Cool. Let's do 420. I mean, I don't need to be really exact, but I want it to be as close as possible to the original. I think the height is might be good. I think that's not good enough, really. Mm, cool. Anyway, how's everything else? That looks about right. That looks about right. Yep, it's just the button, so we will be doing the button, which is called, and then link, and then we would do a padding at the bottom. What was it the last time? It was 14 pixels something, so we can do the top and bottom, maybe like I don't know, 50. Oh wait, it's just never mind. I thought this was never mind. It's fine. Oh right, no, stop. Right. Um, what's this paragraph? Cool. It was the padding for the bottom. There you go. Hey, what? What? Wait, wait. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. I know what I'm doing. Okay, stop. 70 pixels. How's that? Um, I drag them out as okay. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Yep. And then, as you can see, for the final thing that we are going to be doing for this challenge is to create a hover system. So what we're going to do is going to create. Think I'm a. Yeah, I think I can create them on the same time. So for the links, cards, links, and then hover. And then when we hover them, we are going to make them. Oh, oh wait, no. That's impossible for that to happen. Yeah, that's not going to be able to happen like that. We will be doing a media down here. Nice. Cool. And then we will copy and paste the links. Let's do that. Let's do that. Cool. And then when we hover over them, we will change the color. Hover and then hover. That's nice. And then when we hover H1, we will change the color of the links. Cards. Oh wait, no. It's not hovering here. I think need to do something like that, right? No. Is hover in between this one or? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I need to figure something out real quick. Because when you hover the first link, it will change its corner to that. So we copy and paste this one, I believe. And then we change the background color to red to make sure. There we go. Okay, cool. So then we will need to make the cards a not there. We'll need to make oops, something like this, and then I will copy and just put that there. That will still work. Yes, it will. And then for the cards, it will be the first child, and then we'll cover the first child. There we go. And then we'll do copy and paste this one, and then paste this one. 3 seconds, and then we will do the copy and paste the background color to this. That's nice. And then we will do the hover on the A, so it makes it so that when we hover over this, it will change it into something like that. That's nice. And then the color is going to be their own. Well, the card's background rather. That's nice. And voila, look at that. And then when you hover over them, we will have a border of one pixel solid, and we will make them a variable of we can call that white. We can just literally call that white. Oh, that seems to be a little bit too small. Probably 2 pixels seems to be good. I mean, I like this hover effect. Come on now. I think like CSS and HTML all is about hovering nowadays. That's nice. And then we can just copy and paste these because that's going to be the same on every single one of them. Nice. And then after that, we will change the color to white because the text from the image when you hover over them is white. So now, voila, perfection. Look at that. Look at that. All right. And I believe we are done with this project. I mean challenge. And as you can see, this is the end of this challenge. Really. Let's look over here. If we go to the phone version. Let's see here. This is 6, 7, and 8, right? Yep. Cool. If we go to the phone version, everything seems to be nice. Nice. You see? Good. And then we go to the desktop version. Everything seems to be good, as you can see right here. And then for the final design, it would be the hover. And when we hover over it, it seems to be the same. So with that, this challenge is now complete. That's cool. Complete. Cool. But before we end this video, I would just like to say, after I do all this first, where's that? Oh, that's all the way at the bottom. Hello. Can I just copy you and then you can be like, yeah, nice. Can I just set you on the um? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Cool. Yep. I can make this a little bit bigger, right? Hmm. Probably. Let's do padding. Hmm. Padding, and then we can do like padding bottom. No, it will be margin bottom, right? And then we can do like 50. That's probably like an easier way of doing this. Let me just copy this and then I paste it in top of here. No, that'll be in the front, right? So if I do, oh, wait a second, wait a second. Right, I know how to do this. So that is that one, and then we place it here, which is there. This should be a column. Yeah, because the row is only for the content holder, not the. Yeah, there you go. And then we do flex direction, and then we go to column. Hey, there you go. That's how you do it. All right. And yeah, and oh, like that. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'll see you next time. As for the next challenge, and I'll be doing more challenges. So, yeah.